Concept of power dynamics. There are continuation of scientific discoveries and inventions driving development and deployment of technologically advanced versions of heavy machinery and defense system by superpowers and fellow member states of the United Nations since centuries, and the modification of the trends differentiate them. Scientific advancements obtained through consistent research and experimentation through team of devoted scientists aspires to attain strategic advancements for improvement of the efficacy and performance of the incorporated instrument for experimentation. Further, financial, administrative, and commercial support by their respective country or union enables them for commercial enterprise establishment, human resource deployment, and increased production of the instruments and machinery, which enriches their owning countries with increase of their power and capabilities into the respective area of undertaken research and development. This principle implies in multiple aspects of research and development. For in the sector of electricity and other things also it is also implied. Today is the first day of Navratra 2022. People are observing religious festivals. I went to observe holy bath on bank of Yamuna and further listen holy chants of Durga Sapshati. I found few decent disciple of God observing the festival with their near and dear one. On the bank of my rental accommodation here in Gully number 5, Milan Bihar, I had casual interaction with some old age decent peoples. One among them was appearing as the Honorable Chief Minister of Bihar, Srimati Sri Nitish Kumar. While I was walking down the street, I met and I discussed with them. An old age person often asked about my whereabouts. I greeted them well wishes for Holy Festival of Navratra. I returned back to my room. Here I had fasting prasadam and I will review readings further. Further, if we will think that there are certain notions for personal development, like when I continue and complete my presentation, the silent follower remains silent observer. When I complete my presentation, the person often suggests negatives and retarding suggestions, which expresses his or her agenda or intent about the thing, and the associate factor also decides that how they are following. I have to resume my presentation preparation and presentation. It will be productive to record and upload my presentation on periodic basis. This will be productive for the society. I have to maintain calmness of my mind while observing negative indications to perform my best. Associated factors of the schedule of activities and tasks accomplished by the person during the passage of time for observation of the changes happening around to understand and inscribe the sensible expression of the orator about regulation of the activities performed by person laying down, roaming, walking, running, driving, sitting, speaking, writing, explaining about their knowledge and understanding about the natural phenomenon and exchange of goods and representation of the subject matter of discussion for life, means and ways of explanation of the individual about the celestial objects and activities brings cognizance about the happening around for observation of the correspondent masses through the orator orating the nomenclature, physical and chemical attributes for the subject matter of explanation. Galaxies, cosmos, class, celestial illuminating objects, autoluminous stars, plants, satellites, and their rotation, revolution, changes in temperature, opacity, transparency, gravity, with reference to the habitable planet Earth. The associated factors for paying attention, listening the explained contents, recalling, memorizing, and explaining about the phenomenon or object enables the observer to know and explain about the subject matter. Infographics, modeling, animation, pictorial, still and video footages, and informations about the object and events avails focal point of reference for life.